What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks again for joining me. Today, we're talking about SNDL, also known as Sundial Growers. So, if you're an investor in this stock, it has been a wild 2 days. And I want to talk to you guys a little bit about why you shouldn't be so pessimistic about what's happened today. Okay? So, yeah, before we begin, let me just remind you, I am not a financial advisor. This is just one guy's opinion on the internet. And yeah, if you're going to do financial anything, always just do your research. And this is in no way advice. So this is my opinion. Okay? Keep that in mind. While you're here, please hit the notification bell and the like button. And if you can, hit that subscribe button because it would really help me out. And I would love to see you guys come back and watch more of my videos. All right, enough of that. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, guys, SNDL. First thing I want to make sure that everybody understands is that 2 days ago, no one knew about SNDL, okay? I mean, except for me, apparently, because I've been in it under $1. But for the most part, most people weren't investing in SNDL, okay? So let's just get that out of the way. On February 9th, in the morning, someone thought, hey, this looks like a good stock. And then the next guy did. And then the next guy, and the next girl, and the next guy, and the next girl. And then it just blew up, okay? By February 10th, we're looking at 220. Okay, so we're literally at the same place that we were at yesterday. Yet, people are freaking out because the stock hit almost $4 in 2 days from $1. Okay? Actually, under $1, really. Because it's been like less than a week, and this thing was under $1 less than a week ago. And now people are freaking out because it's not over $4. Okay. In pre-market, this thing hit $4.80 this morning. All right. And I honestly want to say right now, as investors, we're kind of spoiled. You have to expect these things. Okay. The stock's not going to run up 4x in 2 days and not just have a complete crash. People are going to take profits because people saw it and they go, wow, I can't believe in 2 days I've 4x'd my money. Imagine if you were some really rich person and you dumped 100 grand in. You literally just made $400,000 off of 100 grand. You have to say, if you were in that position, you would do the same thing. Like, I know I would, guys. I'm not going to lie. Like that, you could turn 100 grand into a house. Like, just think about it. So I just want to point that out and put that out there. Okay. However, I do have some reasons to be optimistic about this stock. Okay. Now, looking at the 5-day chart, I can tell you, I already see a pattern here. Okay. This morning, we were at 395. It dipped. Actually, it dipped lower than this. This is just what got recorded. It dipped to 237, and then it rebounded because the RSI was able to stable out, and it rebounded. It was actually overbought at one point, and it got lower, and then it rebounded to 310, around 11, right? So over $3 again. Not bad. Okay, and now we're right back here, right, basically right at the same bottom, right? This is what we like to call a double bottom, okay? Now, the good thing about double bottoms is they usually go back up, okay? And they actually go back up to their previous levels, if not higher. And at that point, you kind of have to start looking at it being a double top. But that's neither here nor there. So, I'm not really super worried, okay? I expect this to rebound. If it's not tomorrow, or if it's not the next day, or, Monday, it's going to rebound, okay? Now, I have some reasons why you should really stay with this. I mean, if you've already sold, I hope you got profit. Fantastic. Me, I bought it for under $1. I'm not tripping off of it. I'm still up over 100%. So at the end of the day, I made 100% back, right? I'm watching it, but I'm not panicking. Would I like to make 400%? Yeah. I think everybody would like to make 400% profits over 100%. But at the end of the day, will I risk, a couple 100% for the chance to make 1,000%? Yeah, because I'm still walking away with something if I have to walk away at all. All right. So let's talk about tomorrow. It is currently the 11th. It's Thursday. SNDL has been able to stay over $1 for the last 9 days, 9 trading days. Tomorrow will make day 10. Now, what this is going to do is this is going to put it within compliance for NASDAQ. And if you don't know, if you're trading under a dollar and you don't correct that, then you get delisted. And when you get delisted from the NASDAQ, you become harder to trade. So trading with companies that are delisted is difficult. Okay, you will basically become one of those companies on Webull or Robinhood where it says this platform does not support trading, right? Because of that reason. So that's a very important day. Tomorrow's a very important day. SNDL needs to close above a dollar tomorrow. If that happens, it will gain NASDAQ compliance and it will actually create a comfort, right? You don't have to worry about the stock being delisted. So that's the first thing that I just want to point out. Okay. Number 2, this is a pot stock. We know that currently within the United States, the Democratic Party has control of pretty much everything. And they are, I'll use the word bulls on pot reform or marijuana reform. And they are actually working on legislation to get legalization across all 50 states. Now, there are multiple states that are, legal. It's legal right now. And I think even Virginia just said something about wanting to make it legal as well. But when you basically make it a federal legal substance, at that point, you're kind of leaving it up to the states, but there's really no reason for the states to have any kind of qualm with that anymore, because at the end of the day, marijuana sales are going to bring in a ton of tax dollars. And if there's one thing that you and I probably know, government loves tax dollars, okay? They want to basically, especially if they live in California like me, they want to milk you dry. They want to milk you dry of all your extra money, right? They need it for all the programs and all the things they want to do. So, yeah, you'd have to be kind of dumb to turn down an opportunity like that. So that's the first thing to be pretty much really happy about, aside from compliance, right? So let's look at it like that. The other thing is that this thing traded almost 3 billion volume today. That's insane, because the prior day, it traded 1.6 billion, I think. And the prior day before that, it actually traded under 1 billion. This stock has all of the hype. Tomorrow's payday. It's a Friday, okay? In the United States, it is a payday. You can't tell me that anybody in their right mind doesn't look at this and say, wow, that's affordable. You got to believe this stock is going to go back up. It was at $4.80 in pre-market. There's no way it just stays down forever. I don't believe it, and I won't believe it. It's at a double bottom pattern right now. I'm holding. Now, I will say this. If you have a chance to take some, and I use the word some here, and I exclamate that, some profit, do it. Because yes, you don't want to be left holding the bag. No one wants to hold the bag. But you should not sell every position you have in this company at all. Okay? That's my advice. Or the advice I'm going to give myself and take myself. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is just my opinion. So, that's my strategy, guys. And in fact, I actually did take a little bit of profit today. I took 100 shares out. Nothing super major. But at the end of the day, it made me feel a little bit better, right? Yeah, I secured profits. This was a fraction of what I have in here, right? It's nothing. But I wanted to kind of just come on here and let you guys know I'm still a bull on this. Okay? This isn't the end of the party, right? We're literally still on the launch pad, first of all. There are new options out today. There's $7 calls out today. So think about that. These things don't go up if people don't have this in their head. And I honestly feel like tomorrow we're going to see a rebound. Now, I don't know if the rebound's going to get us to $4 or anything. But I see a rebound coming. It may not, actually, it may not come tomorrow. It's coming sometime next week. Sometime soon, there's going to be a rebound on this. So If you need to take profits and money's important, then yeah, money needs to be secured if you need it for something like bills or you need money. It's that old adage. Don't invest what you can't afford to lose. So just keep that in mind. Okay? Anyways, that's the video, guys. I wanted to kind of come on here and just say that, get everybody, pumped about their investment. Be optimistic, because the party's just getting started. Okay? If we're talking about yesterday, the stock wasn't even over, the stock was nowhere near it was where it was at today, yesterday. So you're already up. We got spoiled. But I honestly see us returning to this really quick. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. What are you going to do? Let me know in the comments below. Are you guys selling? Are you holding? Are you bulls? Are you paper-handed? Are you diamond-handed? Rocket ships to the moon? What do you guys think? Let me know. And yeah, that's my opinion. I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you're having a great day other than this. And peace.